Hello, in this YCharts 101 video, we'll be going through Model Portfolio ESG data. First, we'll start with the ESG page, and then we'll go into our scatter plot tool, as well as our comp table tool. We source our holding level ESG data directly from MSCI, and we aggregate it at the model portfolio level. We do have a 65% data coverage threshold requirement for the calculation of these ESG data points. On the ESG page for a model portfolio, the first module is called the ESG Overview. It shows you the ESG scoring and the breakdown for the portfolio. On the right-hand side, we have a module showing you the portfolio's exposure to different ESG rating levels. Then we have the environmental module here, showing you a portfolio's environmental score and its holdings fossil fuel reserve bar, which suggests the percentage of a portfolio's holding exposed to companies that own any fossil fuel reserves. Next, we have the social module. We display a portfolio's holdings involvement in 3 industries: controversial weapons, civilian firearms, and tobacco, as well as whether the holdings had violated human rights norms. Then we have the governance module, showing you the holdings female and independent board percentages, as well as the holdings CEO pay performance links. Lastly, we have a table presenting the weights, ESG rating, and the scoring breakdown of our portfolio's all holdings, which gives you a quick sense on how we arrived at some of the numbers above and how the top holdings are doing with their ESG valuations. Now, if you wish to visualize your model portfolio ESG data in the scatter plot, you can use our scatter plot tool with a list of model portfolios. For example, here we have a plot of scoring and tobacco involvement for a list of model portfolios. If you like your chart, you can easily switch into presentation view, and then you can download or share this visual directly with your clients or your colleagues. If you want to view a list of model portfolios and their ESG data in a clean table format, you can use our comp table tool to view the data. Here, as you can see, we have a list of model portfolios and all of their ESG data. This way, you can quickly showcase this page in a presentation or a meeting, or download this table as a PDF file to share that with your stakeholders. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.